Hello guys, welcome to Vikrant Tech, and today we have InnoSilicon Miner T2T HF Plus 33 terahash. This is a Bitcoin mining machine. This machine works on SHA-256 algorithm and it can mine Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin Cash, all the coin which works on SHA-256 algorithm. So guys, let me brief you little about the machine. So this is our power supply, and there we need to connect our power cord. So this kind of a code we will need in order to run this miner. This is a 16 ampere cord, and there we have two fans in the front side. On the control board we have a LAN port, reset button, fault light, normal light, and IP reset button. On the back these are three signal cables, 1, 2 and 3, and there are three hash boards in this machine, 1, 2 and 3. And on the back side we have two fans, and this is our power supply. And there we have connected our LAN cable. Before turning on the miner, we need to make sure that these steel fins are not touching the fan blades on both the sides, in the front as well as in the back side. After this we will connect our power cord. The other end of this cable is connected in our socket, and we have turned on the miner. Let's go to the computer screen. So guys, now we are on our computer screen, and we will use this software by the name of Advanced IP Scanner. I have already downloaded and installed this software on my computer in order to find the IP of the miner. Your computer phone must be connected with the same Wi-Fi router from which your machine is connected. So once we click on scan, it will scan all the IP which are connected to our Wi-Fi router. And there we have the new IP by number 10.0.0.13 by the name InnoSilicon Technologies. So we will open this IP in our browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, and I have entered this IP 10.0.0.13. Once I hit enter, it will take me to this page, and there we have the hash rate. This miner is auto tuning right now. It will take around 30 minutes to complete the auto tuning. We are getting around 27 terahash on this machine. This machine is running on the default settings, and there are the three hash boards on this machine, and all the status is alive. It is accepting the shares, and the temperature of the boards are really good, like 68, 68, 72. So there we have the menu on the side. We can click on the setting and change the pool for this machine, and this is the overview section where you will get to know about the model number. So guys, let's talk about the profitability and the revenue generation by this machine. As per the today's date of recording this video, 19/11/2021, this machine can generate around $11 per day when you are paying zero for electricity cost, or you have a solar system installed on your place. So this is how miner will look when it's running. So guys, you can go to our website vikranttech.in. If you want to place an order for this machine, you can go to the contact us section and just fill your details and contact now, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, if you wanted to know more about what are the points which you need to take care while running these machines, how to do the maintenance, and what are the points, what are the requirements to start mining, you can go to our YouTube channel, and you can head over to the community section. You will scroll down and you will find two posts, maintenance of mining machines. You can read all the details here, and you can even go to the requirement to start mining post. You will be able to see what is the internet speed, what are the voltages are required in order to run these machines. Thank you very much.